Hi everyone, it is Summer with AstariaSen, and I am doing the 12 crafts of Yule for 2019. If you are just joining in, it doesn't matter if it's day 11 or if it's day 5. Please feel free to look back among the videos. There's lots of different things that I'm doing. They're all going to be simple crafts, mainly stuff that you can find around the house or cheap crafts. I get most of my materials at the dollar store or just found items or even thrift store type stuff. So the idea is to give you guys a craft you can do yourselves for gifts, for tree decorations, for altars, whatever kind of thing you want to do. And I'm leaving it open to interpretation so you guys can kind of just do it however you'd like. So I hope you guys enjoy this series. So today's the last day of the Yule craft series. So Yule number 12 is the Yule log, and I finished mine. All I did was add my glitter. Let's see if I can get a close-up for you guys. So this wood is birch. I got it with like a little stack of like 5 or 6 pieces of wood from the hobby store, HobbyLobby actually. I don't really remember how much it costed because I use these little pieces of wood for all sorts of different things. This was the smallest one I could find. But you could decorate yours however you like. I just picked like the simplest, smallest stuff to go on it to show you how I would decorate a Yule log. My bigger Yule log, which is I'm going to reveal on the 14th with Amethyst Ascension, December 14th of 2019, will be a little bit more elaborate with a lot more going on it. But this one I just wanted to be a little thing that you guys could do. It's so simple, it's so easy, and just adding, you know, small, tiny bits of red to the green, or maybe even painting your pine cones or anything like that can really change the effect of the log. And if you're not burning it, you can use the fake wreath stuff. All I did was take one piece of a wreath and just cut it off into pieces using my my wire cutting pliers, and that worked out really well. I mean, this thing, it's about the size of my hand. I have a really small hand, so I don't know, I really like it. And I did use real cinnamon on it, but this won't be burnt or anything like that. And if you're burning your Yule log, you'll want to use more natural materials. If you don't want to like hot glue your log stuff down, you can use oh my god, raffia. There it is. That's what it is. Raffia. You can wrap it with raffia or tie it with raffia. And you know, that's if you plan on burning it, and then use real, you know, real leaf like stuff instead of fake, because the fake stuff can really be bothersome if you're burning it in a fire. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed my series, and tomorrow I will be revealing a surprise. I am actually going to be doing a giveaway tomorrow. That's what the surprise is, and what I will be giving away, you will find out tomorrow. So you guys have a wonderful day, and I really enjoyed doing this series with you guys.